Terrace houses are ideal for property investments, and this is the reason why. They are good for startup homes, and they're also good for rental purposes because of their size. These are 3-bedroom houses, all with their own outhouses, sitting on a plot size of 35 by 70, and yes, you can have 3 cars parked comfortably at the front. The asking price for each of these is $188,000. Yes, $188,000, and you can own one of these units right here. And now let's go in and check out the property from the inside. Approaching the front, you have a little porch area. Entering through this 1.5 security door, you enter the main hall space. Now let's check it out. You come into this large size hall and dining space. The kitchen is separated from the hall and dining space. This covers an area of about 35 to 40 square meters in total. Yes, this is the fridge is supposed to go into the kitchen area. So we have your kitchen fully fitted with a small island area or dining area attached to the main kitchen. You have your double sink with a faucet, 4-burner gas stove, then your oven right there, your microwave at the top, extractor hood, then that's where your double door fridge goes. Your washing machine goes out the back, your pantry area with extra cabinet or storage space. Then you come over to this powder room right here, then the staircase climbing up with your aluminum railing for support. Yes, all the way through to the top. Mind you, the lights are out, so I'm having to work without lights. And you land at this family area. You have 3 ensuite rooms. This is the master bedroom. Check out the size of the master. This is not bad. It's about 35 square meters in total, covering the built-in closet space, the main bedroom space, and the washroom as well. This is a good size washroom, if you ask me. Check out the shower area. You can upgrade the shower to a more modern, more sophisticated shower system. Your water heater, floating vanity sink, your WC, and your overhead mirror. It has its own private balcony as well, overlooking the community. Yes, that's it right there. Then we have 2 ensuite secondary rooms. Let's check out this one. Yes, standard 14 by 12. That's about 25 square meters. Your built-in wardrobe space, top and bottom storage. Then we have your shower area right here, your WC, floating vanity sink, mirror, just like we saw in the other one. Right at the back, we have the servants' quarters right here. This is a good size for servants' quarters. It's about 15 square meters in total. It comes with an ensuite bathroom as well. Check out the shower, WC, your wash basin. So yeah, it comes with a poly tank at the back as well. Do want to give us a call if you're interested. This is a good size property, 4 bedrooms in total, 3 main rooms and 1 outhouse. Yes, and this can do very well for a startup family, or if you want to buy this for rental purposes, you keep your caretaker in the outhouse, furnish the main house, then the clients come in and your caretaker takes care of your clients. Do want to give us a call. We have about 6 more units to go. Yes, 6 more units in total. Check this out. That's all of them right there. So give us a call. Let's make you a property owner. Catch you on the next one. Au revoir.